What's up and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs and business owners. I'll be doing today's video slightly differently because you're going on a screen with me. You're gonna watch what is going on behind the scene. I'll be using my whiteboard to do a step-by-step on today's video. So here we go. By the end of this entire video, you're gonna find out what is a value ladder, why a value ladder is so important in your business, and as well as by the end of this, you're gonna walk away with a step-by-step proven strategy on how to form a value ladder of your own. So here we go, let's get started. I'll be using this whiteboard to draw a step-by-step for you, but basically what is a value ladder? It's just basically a series of lined up of your own offers, and this offers essentially is what you're going to providing all your product and services that you're providing to your prospects and your actual current client and customers right now. This are called a value ladder. And why is a value ladder so important in your business today? It's because a lot of times when a customer or a prospect in the first touch, when they find you, they might not know what product and services you're offering. And many times, even if you're a business owner or agent today, chances are many people would start off with something like, oh, I'm selling you a property today. So let's say you're selling a property today, and usually property are worth about 6 to 7 figures. 6 to 7 figures, when a person is first in touch with you, they might not be so comfortable into investing a property that is 6 to 7 figures. Like when they just met you, a prospect, they have not known you, they're still very cold, they still do not actually know what you're offering and who you're all about. And you're there saying that, hey, I have this property that is worth 6 to 7 figures. Do you want to buy or not? And if the person is not comfortable at that point, it's just a yes or a no. So usually if they say a no, then you don't have anything else to offer to them. And that's where the value ladder comes in. It's what is going to happen before you actually sell this thing. So to avoid majority of people, when they say no, they don't just walk away with nothing. They at least have something for you to offer, because most of the time when the first person in touch with you, they might not know what is it that you're offering. It might be too expensive for them. Maybe they are not financially ready, mentally ready at that point of time. But maybe they will be ready in the down period of time, a later period of time where they can invest with you more. But in the first hand, they might not be wanting this one yet. They might need something else that is slightly more affordable. But if you do not have anything else to offer to them, they might be going to your competitor. And I always tell my students something. If you love and trust your product and services so much, you must do whatever it takes, and it's your moral obligation to do whatever it takes to sell to your customers, to sell to your clients. Otherwise, they are going to go to your competitor, which may not be treating them as well as you, might not be servicing them as well as you. Then that is a huge disservice for them. So if you do trust your product and services so much, you must do whatever it takes to sell. So this is where you ascend a relationship with your clients and with your prospects. Or let's say you have a service that is maybe a mid-tier. So it should be about here. This is your mid-tier offer. And if you have a mid-tier offer and you have nothing else, let's say your customers have purchased a mid-tier offer from you, but you do not have anything else to offer for them, and that's what they will be like, oh, since you don't have anything else, then I will be going to your competitor. So can you see these two scenarios? It wouldn't be good as well. If you only have the high ticket offer, you have nothing else, then if they are not mentally and financially ready, they will not buy from you. Or if you have mid-ticket offer and they can't ascend the relationship with you, they will go with someone else because you are not providing anymore to them. There are only two reasons why people stop buying. First, it's you are not selling more. You do not have any more things to sell in the value ladder. Or second, it's you offend them, so they do not want to buy anything anymore. So value ladder essentially is you ascending the relationship in the light up of your offers with an increasing in value, hence increasing in price. So you can see the x-axis is for price and the y-axis is value. So this is why it's very important for you to know how do you form a step-by-step in your business. I'm going to give you an example right now. So let's say I'm going to erase everything right here. and give you a proper step-by-step guidance on how to form a value ladder of your own. Usually when we start off something, we'll be starting off with something that we call lead offer. Now, lead offer is something that you actually bait your prospect by something that you're giving out for free. Usually, you start by giving something that's for free, like a lead magnet. You can think of lead magnet of your own. What is it that I can be giving in? Maybe if you're selling products, maybe you can give that product for free. If you're selling services, can you do something to form a lead magnet, like a blueprint or like an ebook where you can give it out to them for free? Because the first yes from your clients are the hardest to get from your prospect, especially they are the hardest to get. So how can you make them to say yes to you first, so that when they entered your value ladder, it's easier for you to ascend an existing customer rather than a prospect who are completely cold and have not gained any values from you yet. The reason why it's called value ladder is because you're charging more as you increase in price, and the only reason why people will pay you more is where they have gotten so much values from you. So you want to be constantly giving values and all this. Why am I doing a YouTube video right now and all this free content out there? Is because I want to build trust and relationship with you. So essentially your free content should be something that is in front here. So these are all the free content. And second thing you want to be providing is a lead offer. Lead offer, like I was saying, it's a lead magnet that you want to be providing. So let's say you are doing mutual fund, unit trust today in your industry. You can be giving something like, you can compile all these fixed deposits from all the top 10 banks in your country and then compile it as a PDF file, as a blueprint, and send it to your prospect. And if they want it, they will have to give you their email address in exchange. There you go, you have gotten a lead from that and you have built trust and relationship, because hardly any agents and salespeople and business owners out there are leveraging on this. So you're gonna stand out from the competitors and make yourself very, very different from the rest of the people. And second thing, you want to be offering to them what I call an intro offer. An intro offer is something that is of slightly higher ticket, but not too much that you will freak out. Like for my business, my intro offer is like 5-day lead bootcamp. I have a bootcamp that's called 5-day lead bootcamp. It is only $17, so it's easy for a person to say yes to this. So maybe test it out first. Only they will accept from my value ladders. I have literally students in my program who have extended their relationship from me from my lead offer, which is a crash course. If you're interested to download my crash course and join my free crash course, it's a course completely free, then click the link down below to opt in. It's something that is free, and then I invite them to my intro offer, which is 5-day lead bootcamp. They have joined this one, and then they ascended the relationship with me in my higher ticket program, and then they reached to the highest level of my program. This is how you ascend a relationship with them, by providing even more values. This is how you can do it for your business. I do not care what business you're in, it works the same. You might be saying that, oh Clara, maybe I'm a different business, it's different from yours. It doesn't work. Every single business works the same. Regardless if you're a business owner, agent, whatever scenario it is, it works the same. So this is a slightly higher ticket offer. Maybe you can have like something that is called DDA. DDA is something that's called direct debit, where a person, when they invest with you, they are doing like a monthly debit, maybe of $1,000. That is slightly cheaper, like $1,000 commitment for an investment. It's easier than a 7 figure. So something like this that you can start off with for an intro offer, something that you want to invite them, maybe to say okay first, like a medical card, something that is slightly cheaper for them to say yes first. And then what you can do after that is you do not stop here. A lot of times people sell like medical card and then they stop right here and they do not provide any more values and ascend the relationship. And what happens right now is, like I was saying in the beginning of the video, your audience, your prospect, your clients is going to find other people which are your competitors out there and to purchase from them because you have stopped providing the values. So what you want to do right now is to have something that is called your another offer here. And this offer is what I call the lead offer. Okay, this is what I call the lead offer, which is slightly higher ticket. It's kind of like your signature offer. This is what I call your signature offer, where you are the best well known for, your best seller. Because in a business, you are going to sell a lot of product and services. And what is your best seller? So use that for your lead offer right here. And this one is what I call the bullseye offer, which is your highest ticket. A lot of times people know their highest ticket level and then they offer this one, but then if the person say no to them, they don't follow up with something else that's lower ticket. Chances are a lot of times when I offer something like my signature program, for a signature program, if a person doesn't want it in the first touch, I will follow with them. Okay, my team will actually follow with them to offer something that's of lower ticket. And then what they do is they go down to this one because they are not purchasing this one now. They go down to my offer and then I sell them again. And then I upsell them again. They literally went like this. They couldn't buy this one, so they went back down and then I pushed them back to upsell them again because I provided values to them. Now they want to accept. It doesn't mean that if a person is not ready here, they are broke. It doesn't mean like that. It's just because they might want to be testing something up first. They might want to get to know you better first. So it's okay to drop them to one step lower in your value ladder. And then when you have provided more relationships, more trust relationships, and more values of them, and then you can offer them again. And chances are, at this point of time, they might be saying yes to you now. When you're doing this correctly, and when you get on a call, usually when you are selling something that's high ticket, I would recommend you to get on a call. When you get on an application call with people, they have applied and got into the application call. I've talked more about why you need to hop on an application call with your audience, with your prospects in this video here. So don't forget to check it out after watching this video. Essentially, what you want to do is to not convince your clients. A lot of times, business owner agents hop on a call to sell your high ticket items and then you try to convince in a call why they should buy from you. These people are not ready. If you're using this method correctly, when a person lands on this one, they are pretty much already know every single offer that you have got. They know who you are. Then they won't be asking something like this, kind of like, oh, so what is the program you're offering? What is the service you're offering? Oh, what you're selling is quite expensive. Oh, you only offer this one. They won't be asking something like this because they already know. But if you are straight away offering a person this one, it's not 100% that you're not going to close the deal, but the chances of closing a deal is going to be a lot harder than you ascending the relationship slowly. So that you actually don't lose money if you're running ads today. You don't lose money in the front end as well. What you want to do is to break even. So eventually when that person lands on here, you are profiting 100% because all your money for the Facebook advertisement to drive the leads in, it's all break even in front. Do you see what I'm doing right here? When you're doing this, the person land on this one, you are making 100% profits. And very, very high chance that they want to be working with you now because they are pretty much very ready. Otherwise, in the application call itself, when you look into the application, you can just reject them automatically. This is why value ladders are very, very important. After this video, I would like you to form your own value ladders by looking at this one and to see which one is it that you can fix and which one is it you can start off. Something that I tell my students in my Passionpreneur Academy program is you shouldn't be focusing on forming every single part of this value ladder in one hand. If you are spending time focusing on every single part of your value ladder, you're going to take 1 year, 2 years, or even 10 years to form this entire thing up. You want to be forming it as you go along the stage. It's okay to start out with maybe only this one, or only this one, or only this one. It's by you doing it slowly so they can form the entire value ladder in. If you would like to find out more about Passionpreneur Academy and build a lead automation system whereby you're getting leads into your business every single day, even while you're sleeping, then click the link down below to join my free upcoming training. I do a lot more videos about social media marketing, so be sure to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.